All right, Lucas, what do we do first?
What is this?
It's called a grater. We're gonna grate. What's first? What are we cooking today?
We're cooking the...
Is it called zucchini bread?
Yeah.
Can you say it?
Cookie bread.
Louder.
Cookie bread.
Zucchini. This here is a zucchini.
This is cookie.
Zucchini. Let's wash it. Ready?
I'm gonna water. Here.
Spray it down. All right, that's good.
Now we need to cut it.
Cut. All right, cut it. Right there, push. And this end, ready? 1, 2, push. Okay, give me the knife.
We need to cut it open.
Nope, we're going to grate it.
Then grate it.
Yep.
Yay. Great. Great.
Okay, so how do you think it works? I use this one, you use that one, okay? Look, nope, you hold it and you go push, push, push. What am I pushing, the zucchini or the grater?
Great.
So you hold the grater here and you grate here. So hold this with your hands, lift the zucchini, rub it.
I can't help you.
Why? We gotta put all this in there.
Why? What are we doing?
We're making zucchini bread, remember?
I can't put them in a bowl.
Why not?
How do we pour them? Watch. This. And one.
Okay,
Done.
so what's next?
Next is stir it up.
Not yet.
Oh. Next is, oh no, what's this says?
Here you go, we're gonna do 2 eggs.
Don't, I don't want to break them. You break them. I want to see. I want to see it watch.
You wanna see what?
I want to see it crack.
You wanna see it crack?
Yeah.
What's flour?
Mm-hmm.
It is this stuff. Hold it over top. Don't dump it in yet, okay? We need more than that. Wait. So what else we need? I think we need a pinch of salt. You know what that means?
Yep.
What does a pinch of salt mean?
Pour.
You pour it like this, and then you pinch it like this, and you go, pshh, you do it. Pinch. Grab a pinch. All right, give it one more pinch, because your pinches are small. Yeah, throw it in. Okay, that's good.
I want some.
All right.
Me?
How about some cinnamon?
And what about me?
I think this is more of a shake. You want to shake it?
Yeah.
All right, shake it. No, not in your hand. You put it right in like this. Okay, that's good.
Now we're... Now we're ready for something else.
We're gonna put a pinch of allspice in. You want to do a pinch again?
Yeah.
Pinch. Another pinch. Is that the right amount, or do you need more?
More.
All right, that's good. All right, so what's next?
Next is on the which says
I think it needs to be mixed, don't you?
here's maker.